everyone, this is Sivagami from SNS College of Engineering. As I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology, here we're going to learn about the topic is forward pass and backward pass, CPM. First, we're going to learn about forward pass. First, in this, we have to calculate the earliest dates on which activity may be started and ended. First, we're going to calculate the earliest dates on which activity may be started and ended. Calculate of earliest start dates or carried out. Calculation of earliest start dates or carried out. Activities A, B. Here we just listen the table in the side. Here I give a activities, duration, weeks, and then the precedence. Okay. Activity A, B, F may start immediately. Earliest date for the starts is 0. Activity A will takes the 6 weeks, so earliest it can finish is week 6. Activity B will start the 4 weeks, so earliest it can finish its 4 weeks. Activity F will take 10 weeks, so earliest it can finish is week 10. Activity C can start and as soon as finished, so earliest start date of 6 weeks. It will take 3 weeks to finish, so earliest finish date is week 9. Activity D and E can start as soon as B is completed, so earliest start is week 4. D takes 4 weeks, so earliest, so complete this week B and E. E takes 4 weeks, so earliest to complete this week 7. Here I give a flow chart. Then the next topic is backward pass. Second stage in analysis of critical path network, calculate latest date at which each activity may be started and completed without delay end date. Latest completion date for the activity GH is assumed to be week 13. Activity H starts at week 11, 3 to 2 at least, and the latest start date for G is week 10, 13 to 3. Latest completion date for C, D is latest date at which activity H must start, that is week 11. They have started dates of weeks 8, 11 to 3 and week 7, 11 to 4. Activity EF completed by week 10, so earliest started date or week 7 and 0. Activity B must be completed by week 7, so its started date is week 3. Activity A must be completed by week 8, its latest start is week 2. Latest date for the product starts is earliest of the latest starts date for activity A, B and F. This is week 0. Here I give a flowchart for the backward pass. Identifying the critical path. The next one is identifying the critical path. These will be at least one path through the network identifies the duration of the project. This is known as the critical path. Direction difference between the earliest start date and the latest start date is activity float. How many starts or completion of the activity may be delayed without affecting the end date of the project. Significance of critical path. The next one is significance of the critical path. Managing product, monitoring activity on critical path is must. Planning the project. It is critical path that we must shorten if we are to reduce overall duration of the project. Here I give the identify the critical path. flowchart.